Are you looking for the best outdoor wireless security camera? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. Arlo's Essential Security Camera records video in 1080p for a clear picture and see more of your property thanks to the wide 130 degrees viewing angle. Fast, wireless setup. The Essential Spotlight surveillance and amp security cameras deliver increased installation flexibility to get the perfect camera view. See important features like faces or license plates in full color at night, with color night vision to make these outdoor security cameras the perfect cameras for home security. Smarter alerts, quicker action. With an Arlo Secure plan, receive smarter notifications for people, vehicles, packages, and animals so you can react quickly, right from your phone's lock screen. Respond quickly, hear and speak to visitors at your with clear, two-way audio, and can be easily used as a baby monitor with camera and audio, nanny cam, and pet camera. 100% wireless design. Simplify your home security system by utilizing Arlo's Wi-Fi camera capability to connect directly to your Wi-Fi for fast, wire-free installation with no hub required. Weather-resistant outdoor camera for year-round security. The wireless camera is certified and tested to withstand the toughest conditions in heat, cold, rain, or sun. Simple to set up, easy to recharge. Easily place your wireless indoor and outdoor security camera on a shelf or screw it onto a wall. Works seamlessly with your smart home. This home camera works as an Amazon Alexa device, Google device, Apple HomeKit device, and Samsung SmartThings device. Arlo Secure includes a trial of Arlo Secure for 24/7 professional monitoring, 30-day cloud recording, advanced object detection, rich notifications, smart activity zones, and more. Number 2. Blink Outdoor 3rd Gen Wireless, Weather-Resistant HD Security Camera. Blink Outdoor is a wireless battery-powered HD security camera that helps you monitor your home day or night with infrared night vision. With long-lasting battery life, Outdoor runs for up to 2 years on 2 AA lithium batteries included. Store video clips and photos in the cloud with the Blink subscription plan and save events locally to the Blink Sync Module 2 via a USB flash drive, sold separately. Outdoor is built to withstand the elements to help you protect your home inside or out, come rain or shine. Designed so you can set up yourself in minutes. No wiring, no professional installation required. Get motion detection alerts on your phone with the option to customize motion zones in the Blink Home Monitor app so you're only alerted when you need to be. See, hear, and speak to visitors with live view in real time and two-way audio features on your Blink app. Works with Alexa. Use your voice to monitor your home through supported Alexa-enabled devices. Includes 3 Blink outdoor cameras and 1 Sync Module 2. Number 3. eufy Security S330 eufyCam 3.2 Cam Kit Security Camera. See 4K detail day and night, spot tiny features on any potential trespasser, human or animal, with eufyCam 3 even at night. The Starlight photosensitive system enhances low light conditions for clarity in color. Forever power durability. eufyCam 3 is self-sustaining in any outdoor environment with an integrated solar panel only needing 2 hours of daily sunlight for forever power. Local expandable storage. With this local 4K security camera system, you're in control of your own data with advanced encryption. 16 GB built-in storage with the ability to expand up to 16 TB with a portable hard drive. Not included. Store a lifetime of videos, all for no monthly fee. The operating system will occupy a portion of the built-in storage capacity. Please go to FAQ for hard drive specifications and requirements. Bionic Mind AI empowers your security. See the true potential of your security with Bionic Mind, providing facial recognition that differentiates between family and strangers with self-learning AI. Put yourself in control, feel at ease, conveniently controlling eufyCam 3 with voice activation via Alexa and the Google Assistant, and clear two-way audio. You can even set activity zones to avoid false alarms. Number 4. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Security Camera. Simple to set up, easy to recharge. Charge your wireless video doorbell quickly and easily for a long-lasting charge. Coverage for every corner, fast, wire-free setup, no wiring required. delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect view from your doorbell camera. See more at your front door. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree wide field view with your wireless doorbell with camera. Get a clearer picture. Detailed video in HD with HDR from the wireless security camera system ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. Never miss a moment. See what triggered a motion before anyone tries to ring doorbell. With Arlo Foresight, the security camera captures video prior to every motion-triggered video recording so you don't miss out. Respond quickly. Receive a video call from your wireless doorbell camera to your phone to hear and speak to visitors at your doorbell with clear, two-way audio, or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. Reliable security. No matter the weather, the weather-resistant outdoor security camera is built and certified to withstand the heat, cold, rain, or sun. Plays well with others. Upgrade your smart home security system by connecting your smart doorbell to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Smarter alerts, quicker action. With an Arlo Secure plan, receive notifications from the security camera for people, vehicles, and packages so you can react quickly, right from your phone. Secure local storage option. Utilize your Wi-Fi camera and secure your videos directly to your Arlo base station or smart hub to view them anytime, anywhere. Stations sold separately. Number 5. Wi-Fi 2PC Security Camera Outdoor. Optional 24/7 emergency response service. Wi-Fi's motion alerts and live video feeds are now equipped with the option to instantly involve Noonlight's certified emergency dispatchers, who coordinate with police, fire, and EMS agencies on the customer's behalf to ensure the situation is promptly handled. Full HD video quality, crystal clear 1080p images and video that, in conjunction with the camera's 110 degrees lens and universal ball mount, provide high-resolution images in every direction. Weather resistant, the Wi-Fi outdoor security cameras is waterproof and can be used for both outdoor and indoor use. Motion activated alerts/app notifications sent right to your phone whenever motion is detected. Two-way audio, 360 degrees noise cancelling hypersensitive microphone eliminates excess environmental noise for much clearer sound quality and allows you to communicate with welcomed guests and deter an alarm can get rid of unwanted guests. Includes Wi-Fi Cloud free trial. Provide the most efficient compression and the highest protection of data to ensure all your videos are safe and protected, avoiding the risk of losing footage from an SD card.